Lagi mo bang tinatanong ang ChatGPT kung anong dapat mong maging? Maliban sa tanungin ang sarili kong, sino ka ba talaga? Para sa mabuang buhay tayo na po at magkape at padasal. At some point, you have to stop asking, who do they say I am? And start answering, who do I say I am? Your identity can't be built on likes, comments, or what your parents expect. You're becoming the rock for the people around you, your siblings, your friends, your future. That's a heavy responsibility, but it's also your greatest strength. Being a leader isn't about being the boss. It's about being the person others can rely on when things get shaky. Maging takbuhan ka ng ibang tao kung sila'y nahihirapan. Sandalan sa pangangailangan. Own your role. Build a foundation that's actually made of something solid, not just a reputation that could blow away tomorrow. Manalangin po tayo. O Panginoon, tulungan mo kaming makita na ang aming halaga at pagkatao ay ayon sa iyong labis na pagmamahal sa amin. Nawa maging sandalan kami ng ibang tao sa oras ng kanilang kagipitan. Amen.